Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to get you how to use one-click tools to create hinges. Select the tool Fitting tool. First, to create multi-holes, tick the box and select the type. Then click on the door and then the panel that we attached the door to. The number of the hinges that are created are as in setting. For the edge with a length smaller than 200 or equal to 200, create one hinge. From 200 to 600, 2 hinges, and from 600 to 1000, 3 hinges. And if it's larger than 1000, still 3 hinges. We can set up more connector ranges here. And for the lower door, we've got 3 hinges. Next, we can create a single hinge. Untick the box, select the type, click on the panel, and then if we click near which edge, then the distance is from that edge. Type in the distance. So the distance from the hinge to the edge is 80. Same for this, 80. Next, I can type in the number of the hinges that I want to create. Tick the box, tick Create multi-holes, and type in the number. For example, 4 hinges. And click on the door in the panel. So here we got 4 hinges. And remember to check it carefully. For example, they are overlapped, so I'm gonna move the connector. And next, we can create multi-holes with distance from edge. For example, 100, so the distance from the hinge to the nearest edge is 100. Besides, if I type in the number of the hinges, 4, then 4 hinges, and with a distance from edge, 100. So this is how we use one-click tools to create hinges. For more tools instructions, see you in the next videos.